Welcome to this video on the future of AI systems and the career path of a machine learning engineer. We will explore this critical, fast-growing field, from foundational education to senior leadership roles. This program is brought to you by the Series of Thoughts team as part of the Career Path series. In this first chapter, we examine the current landscape of AI, focusing on the essential role ML engineers play in transforming data into intelligent systems. The global AI market is projected to grow significantly. This rapid adoption has created a critical production gap, where demand for experts who can deploy and scale reliable systems far exceeds current supply. So, what does an ML engineer actually do? They are systems builders, architects, and the vital bridge between experimental research and real-world production-grade AI products. The impact is clear. With median salaries exceeding $160,000 and a significant wage premium for AI skills, this field offers substantial professional and financial rewards. Moving to Chapter 2, we trace the evolution of this role, from the early days of neural network research to the sophisticated AI engineering we rely on today. Machine learning engineering emerged as a formal discipline to bridge the gap between theoretical research and software engineering, becoming the indispensable link in modern technology. Today, ML engineers occupy a wide spectrum of authority, from research assistants to principal architects, with recognized certifications marking professional milestones along the way. These professionals are now essential across every major industry, solving the structural challenge of deploying and maintaining AI at a global enterprise scale. In Chapter 3, we map out the journey to becoming an ML engineer, starting from your undergraduate education all the way to leadership positions. Step 1 begins with a strong quantitative foundation. A degree in computer science, mathematics, or related fields provides the core programming and analytical skills you will need. Step 2 is gaining real-world experience. Working inside AI-focused organizations is vital, as it builds the practical judgment and systems intuition required for production-grade engineering. Step 3 involves choosing your graduate path. Whether you pursue a master's degree for technical specialization or a PhD for research, both are pathways to senior-level roles. Step 4 is deciding on your specialty, such as MLOps, generative AI, or computer vision. Choosing the right area allows you to focus your expertise where demand is highest. Finally, Step 5 focuses on professional credentials. Industry certifications and peer-reviewed research are excellent ways to validate your expertise as you advance in your career. Welcome to Chapter 4, where we look at the daily reality of the job. We'll explore what machine learning engineers actually do, examining their work from individual models to complex organization-wide pipelines. ML engineers handle diverse responsibilities, including designing neural networks, building scalable data pipelines, managing production deployment with MLOps, and collaborating with research scientists to iterate on new techniques. The demand for this role is powerful. With over 35,000 open AI positions in the US and significant year-over-year job growth, ML engineering remains a persistently high-demand technical profession. The work environment varies by industry. Tech giants focus on high-velocity global deployment. Financial firms emphasize security and regulation. And healthcare organizations prioritize reliability for critical patient outcomes. Success in this field requires a blend of skills: deep learning and systems engineering fluency, expertise in model optimization, and the ability to bridge the gap between research and product requirements. Beyond technical output, the human element is crucial. ML engineers are advocates for reliable and ethical systems, helping their teams navigate long-term AI strategy and responsible deployment. In Chapter 5, we explore career prospects and growth. We look at the structural forces that keep ML engineers among the most sought-after professionals in the tech industry. Structural demand is driven by the rise of generative AI, the competitive advantage of proprietary AI infrastructure, and a persistent shortage of elite talent capable of building production-ready systems.
Career advancement offers high potential. Whether as a principal engineer, an independent consultant, or an executive leader like a chief AI officer, the paths to professional and financial growth are significant.
Your toolkit must cover several bases: model development, ML ops, rigorous evaluation for safety, and strong technical leadership to mentor others and establish best practices. Staying current is vital. The technology landscape evolves rapidly, so it is essential to verify the specific stack, frameworks, cloud platforms, and tools required by your target industry. Chapter 7 highlights paths beyond the standard corporate team, such as independent consulting, startup building, and academia, which can offer unique project control and help prevent engineering burnout. To measure your impact in 2026, track metrics like deployment frequency, model accuracy, and revenue contribution. These provide the evidence-based data you need to demonstrate value to stakeholders. When navigating the hiring process, optimize your resume with key technical terms, highlight outcome-driven metrics, and build a portfolio of links to your work to stand out from the start. Finally, the future of AI engineering is bright. As you continue your path, focus on leadership, continuous learning, and building systems that solve real-world problems. Thank you for watching.